Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video we will learn everything about color wheel. What is color wheel, what is the use of color wheel and how to use it. As you can see, this is a normal video. Now to access the color wheel, select your footage, then go to the color, and after curves you will get an option of color wheel. As you can see, we have three wheels. First one is highlight, second one is midtone, and third is shadow. Now what is highlight? Highlight are the brightest part of the video. Like if you take out all the colors from your video, the white part of your video is highlight. You can create an overexposed video by boosting the brightness of the highlight color wheel, or make it warmer by making the highlights more red or yellow. Like in this footage, the brightest part is light coming from outside. If we move the pointer to any color, it will change the color of the light. It means it is changing the color of the highlight. You can use the highlight to create different color scheme in your video editing. And with the help of this slider, you can make the highlight brighter or darker. Now what is midtone? Midtone are the tone in the middle range of brightness. It means if you take out all the color from your video, the gray color in your video is midtone. Getting a strong balance of midtone is essential in color grading. Adjusting the midtone too much can quickly create a wash over the whole clip. So use the midtone pointer in control form to create awesome color scheme for your footage. Like I am using, just adding a bit of orange color to make clip more cinematic. Using it too much wash out all the grays from the footage. Now what is shadow? Shadow represents the darkest part of the clip. Like if you take out all the colors from your footage, the black color in your footage is shadow. Shadow adds lots of flavor in your footage. Like the darkest part in our footage is black shadow or silhouette person. You can give color to the darkest part, or else you can use a slider to make your footage brighter or darker. Now let me show you the comparison. You can see the difference. We just use a color wheel to adjust the tones. Use color wheel to create different tone and make your footage more cinematic and catchier. Now let me drop another clip. Now you can see that I am changing the highlight color of the footage, then I am changing the midtone and then shadow. And here we have another color scheme for the footage, and you can see the comparison. That's simple to use color wheel. If you have any doubt, you can ask me via mail or comment. That's it for today. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorial. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.